Right now, though, it might be Back to the Future Day, but it also just happens to be Reptile Awareness Day. So, to get us more aware of reptiles, Rosie from Reptilia, a very reptile-aware place, and a turtle named...
Snorkel.
Snorkel. Hi, Snorkel. What kind of turtle is Snorkel?
Snorkel is called a Chinese softshell turtle.
Okay, so why... it's called that because it has a soft shell.
That's right.
It moves, it's like flexible, like plastic?
Yep, it's a malleable shell. It's very, very flexible, very lightweight. So that means this turtle is able to swim through the water very quickly compared to other aquatic turtles. And their shell, rather than being composed of mostly their bone that's been fused together, is actually just more like their rib cage spread over cartilage, tissues, muscles, skin, all those other stuff.
So it's more flexy. And is that the one thing that sort of sets these apart from other animals?
That's right.
Okay, any other interesting things about this turtle that we should know?
Absolutely. So the Chinese softshell turtle actually has a pretty amazing adaptation to help her survive in brackish water.
You mean like semi-salty, semi-fresh water?
That's right. So if she were to be living in sort of semi-polluted or semi-salty water, she can actually cycle excess ammonia through her mouth. So some might call that peeing through her mouth, but it's not quite the same process.
Wait, let's just call it that. So this is a turtle, not only does it have a soft shell, but it also pees out of its mouth?
Essentially.
Essentially, we're just going to say it does. All right, that's fantastic. And so these are just found in China, the soft-shell turtles?
No, actually, soft-shell turtles are found sort of all over. We have one right here in Canada called the spiny soft-shell turtle.
Okay, and where in Canada would you find those?
You'd find those all over our lakes and rivers. However, they are threatened currently. There are fewer than 3,000 left in Ontario and Quebec. So these guys need all the help they can get.
All right, well, we'll definitely do our part on Reptile Awareness Day. And you know who else is celebrating Reptile Awareness Day? Zaya. In fact, she's over at your place at Reptilia, checking out a creature we're willing to bet you've never seen before.